Before we begin, a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister chairs high-level meeting to review national preparedness on national security. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inspects development projects in Shillong. Cabinet Minister A.L. Haq backs precision strikes on terror camps in Pakistan. And NIA to independently probe funding allegations against Deputy Chief Minister Sneobha Langdhar. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today chaired a high-level meeting with top secretaries from key ministries to review national preparedness and enhance inter-ministerial coordination following Operation Sindoor, a precision strike targeting terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan. The meeting focused on operational readiness, emergency response, and securing critical infrastructure. Prime Minister Modi emphasized a whole-of-government approach and directed ministries to strengthen systems and maintain coordination with state governments. Senior officials from various ministries, including Defence, Home Affairs and External Affairs, participated in the meeting. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inspected the ongoing construction of the new secretariat at New Shillong Township, the Polo Market Complex and the riverfront development at Wa Umrah Polo. The Chief Minister expressed satisfaction with the progress, highlighting that the new secretariat's design integrates sustainability and culture with modern architecture. He further stated that this iconic building will enhance administration and improve the area's aesthetics, and he is looking forward to its completion.
Work for the Polo Mall is complete, and now we are under the process of renting out or leasing out the different shops that are there. The work is going on in full swing. In fact, the excavation work and the foundation work also is going on at a very fast pace, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work. And we expect that the project should be completed on time. We are here in the Umir to Maukunu, this beautiful road, newly constructed road, which is of course part of the overall plan to build up the entire administrative and the knowledge city. Very important connectivity and a very important infrastructure, and as you can see, the road has come up very well.
Cabinet Minister A.L. Haq praised the Indian Armed Forces precision missile strikes on terror launch pads in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir or POK, calling the operation the need of the hour. The Indian Armed Forces yesterday carried out 24 precision missile strikes on 9 terror targets in Pakistan and POK or Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, including Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed bases in Murudki and Bahawalpur. More than 70 terrorists were killed and over 60 wounded in the strikes, sources said. JEM Chief Masood Azhar confirmed the death of 10 family members and 4 aides.
Missile strike is the need of the hour from the Bharat, from India. You need to strike what they have ready. We appreciate the Honorable Prime Minister and also the armed forces for the action taken for the missile attack.
The Meghalaya government stated that the National Investigation Agency will independently investigate claims that Deputy Chief Minister Sneobha Langdhar funded the banned HNLC during his time in the Congress Party. MDA spokesperson Paul Lingdo emphasized the investigation would proceed without political influence and noted he has no knowledge of events during the Congress regime. The controversy began after the HNLC alleged it received funds from Dhar, prompting the VPP to demand his removal and an immediate NIA probe.
Said that it had definite information about his having funded the organization when he was Deputy CM in the Congress regime. Now, as spokesperson of MDA2, I am not privy to any information of what happened during the Congress regime. I had never been in the Congress nor in the HNLC. So it's for you to find out from Mas Nyawa, because they repeatedly said that he was a major contributor to their coffers when he was in the Congress. Probably Vincent Pala can throw more light on that matter.
Meghalaya conducted its first civil defence air raid drill since 1971 yesterday evening. Starting at 6:28 p.m, a fluctuating siren was followed by a 2-minute blackout in Shillong, Jowai and Tura. Shillong experienced a brief total blackout as part of a statewide civil defence mock drill, simulating an air raid scenario. A steady siren at 6:32 p.m. marked the end of the simulation. Directed by the Ministry of Home Affairs, the drill tested emergency preparedness across 12 districts with a focus on East Khasi Hills, West Jaintia Hills and West Garo Hills. The exercise aimed to assess the state's readiness for wartime scenarios. During an inspection of Yodo Market today, the office of the CM of Hima Millim, led by Mintri War Tingha, uncovered serious waste build-up in several shops. Citing health risks, especially during the rainy season, the Mintri issued a strict 1-month deadline for all shopkeepers, Khasi and non-Khasi, to clean their premises or face action. Despite improvements in market walkways, cleanliness under stalls remains a concern. Shop owners, particularly lessees, were urged to dispose of waste properly after business hours, with penalties warned for violations. The HYC West Khasi Hills has raised concerns over discrepancies in the weight of ration rice distributed through wholesalers, affecting the public. The organization noted that while sacks are recorded as containing 46 to 56 kgs, the actual weight measured by local dealers using new digital scales shows significant variation. HYC praised the accuracy of the new weighing system at the village level, but criticized its absence at the wholesaler level. They urged the government to ensure the system is implemented from the FCI godowns through to wholesalers and dealers, ensuring transparency and fairness in PDS distribution.
Bathok hakata berni bathok sanpunru kilo la theo bah udon tang saupunyo. Kaberni kabla thok hangta sanpu ar udon tang saupunru kum ta terter kata rejeng lap jongi om tang haki khaurosan haki sinong egi kun sinong kun thau ndai ngi lap ru ki school kalong kajuk kata ka benta. Hagni ki jing theo bala pa ai ki sinong unong wan sim khau u up handle up la theo mar khmat barki but they went theo with thick kat kum ka jing yo jongki but hadin bala theo kapau du haru ka upload la ni kapau hadu ni connect hadu ni DC ba kata ka jing thau ka deban biang thik kum jing kwa yang khau.
The National People's Youth Front Umroi block felicitated 2 top performing students from the constituency in this year's SSLC examination. Ivan Nongrum of Sacred Heart Boys Secondary School, Shillong, who secured 2nd position, and Quincy Kharsono of Umroy Presbyterian Secondary School at 7th position in the SSLC examination 2025. Both were awarded laptops and mementos in recognition of their academic excellence. The ceremony was attended by Umroy MLA Damanwait Lamare as chief guest. An e-vehicle garbage auto truck crashed into a field at KSA ground near a hill at Mairang Mission around 10 a.m. today, reportedly due to brake failure while attempting to park. The vehicle rolled down a slope and plunged into the field. Bystanders rushed to help and transported the seriously injured driver to Mairang Civil Hospital for treatment. Shillong Cricket Association B triumphed in the MCA Under-16 Boys Inter-District Tournament 2025, defeating Tura District Cricket Association by 8 wickets in the final held yesterday. Batting first, TDCA was bowled out for 106 in 41.4 overs. In response, SCA-B chased down the target in just 22.2 overs, finishing at 107 over 2. Suraj Chaitri started with an unbeaten 71 of 79 balls, while Arav Bareli led the bowling with 3 over 17. The tournament, organized by the Meghalaya Cricket Association, began on April 15th, featuring group matches in Jowai and Mendi Patthar.
Working hard because this is just the beginning. Most of you are nearly 14-15 years of age, so you have a good future ahead, and especially you have seen that in cricket it's not only a game, it's a career. And especially Meghalaya, you know that none of our players are there in the national stage, so it's a huge opportunity for you. We really like to see one of you in the near future playing for our country. It will be a great pride for all of us for you to represent our state Meghalaya in the national stage.
A look at the weather report. In Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 25 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 34 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 71%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature recorded was 16 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature at 24.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 70%. Lastly, in Jowai, the minimum temperature stands at 17 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature at 23 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity is 78%. The forecast in Tura and Jowai is partly cloudy sky with haze, while in Shillong, it says that light to moderate rain is likely at few places. Before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister chairs high-level meeting to review national preparedness on national security. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inspects development projects in Shillong. Cabinet Minister A.L. Haq backs precision strikes on terror camps in Pakistan. And NIA to independently probe funding allegations against Deputy Chief Minister Sneobha Langdhar. Dear viewers, with that we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, stay safe and good night.